In this video, we will guide you through the process of building and using a top-lit updraft kiln, also called a TLUD, to make biochar. The tools and equipment you will need include a 200-liter oil drum, a flexible metal sheet that is at least 75 centimeters wide, short metal beams for use as spacers, bricks, a power drill with a 4, 5, or 6-inch drill bit, a tool for cutting metal. Shears, jigsaw, or similar would be appropriate. A rivet gun and rivets. A tape measure. A permanent marker. To start, cut a hole with a diameter of approximately 20 centimeters in the center of the drum's lid. Roll a metal sheet to create a tube with a diameter of about 23 centimeters. Secure the tube with rivets. This will be used as a chimney for the kiln. Next, drill 30 holes at 10 centimeter intervals in the bottom of a 200-liter drum. The TLUD kiln components are now complete. Next, we will demonstrate how to assemble and use the kiln. Place the 200-liter drum on bricks, with the 30 holes facing the bottom. Fill the drum with feedstock, for example, bamboo, wood, husks, or other organic material. Leave space at the top for kindling. Start a fire by lighting kindling at the top. After a flame forms, place spacers on top of the drum. Then put the lid and chimney on top. In the beginning, you will see smoke, but it should reduce or disappear after 5 to 10 minutes. The fire will travel downwards through the feedstock. The time to completion will vary depending on the feedstock. Throughout the burning process, throw small amounts of water on the side of the barrel to see how far down the fire has traveled. Water will sizzle and steam around or above the burn zone, but will not below it. When the burning reaches the bottom, remove the lid and douse with water until you no longer see smoke or steam. Then dump out the contents. If you still see smoke or steam, continue to quench with water. Your biochar is complete and ready to be processed for use or dried for storage.